Okay. So we have to read with I will read with nghe. How is going?
I'm doing well. How about you?
Never better, thanks.
So, how have you been lately?
I've actually been pretty good. You?
Actually, it's right now.
I'm attending. Which school do you attend?
I'm attending BCC right now.
Are you enjoying it there?
Uh, it's not bad. There are a lot of people there.
Good luck with that.
Thanks.
Okay, change.
How is how is going?
I'm doing well. How about you?
Never better. Thanks.
So how have you been lately?
Actually being pretty good.
Make sure mình đấy. So,
Which school do you attend?
I'm attending PCC right now. Má của mình đó, má nó.
Mabuchen.
Okay.
Are you enjoying it there?
It's not bad. There are a lot of people there.
Good luck with that.
Thanks. So đi mà đi hòa từ xe lâu biểu biểu mình nó. How is going? How is going? Ở lớp bia nó. I'm doing well. Nghe phát đã đâu hold it. Đại mẹ tôi ô tàn nhân thuê được nó ô tàn nên nên phiêu mày nó. Hòa never better. Thanks. So have you been lately? Cứ nói sẽ bây giờ này lẽ bỏ xin bây giờ này lẽ. I'm check. Đi mà actually nó actually lại biểu gì?
Actually being.
Actually mà hậu nó actually nó.
Attend.
Bây giờ I enjoy it there. Chạy là it's not bad there. Đi mà phát gì nó. There are a lot of people there. Là mình phát rồi. There are a lot of people there. Phát bây giờ. There nàyจะดีแต่ขาดเลย said there are a lot of people there. Good luck with that. Thanks. เราphát bây giờเนาะแต่เสร็จเราเปลี่ยนพูดเปลี่ยนไปเลยเนาะพี่จะมาน้องตะคุตัวไหม
How's it going?
I'm doing well. How about you?
Never better, thanks.
So, how have you been lately?
I've actually been pretty good. You?
I'm actually in school right now.
Which school do you attend?
I'm attending PCC right now.
Are you enjoying it there?
It's not bad. There are a lot of people there.
Good luck with that.
对了，对嘛，你们拍的 there are a lot of people there 拍的 a lot of people there เรา们拍过เนาะ Okay, thank you. So let's go to the next one. Okay. ဒီမှာခုနဟာပဲတူတူပဲเนาะဒါပေမဲ့ဒီဟာမဖတ်တော့ဘူးနည်းနည်းရှုပ်သွားမှာဆိုတော့နောက်တစ်မျိုးသွားလိုက်မယ်